Can you see Fan anywhere?
Where is he? Where is he?
Where is Fan?
There he is.
Fannies! You trouble.
There he is.
You little
Look,
trouble.
Look. All those things stuck to you, you big... Hang on, hang on, hang on. There's more of them. Oh, look, there's another one.
Oh no, Fan. You keep going to
hang
those
on.
bushes and it's gonna
There's
happen.
another one. Right, hang on. Look, there's another one. And another one. Right, go.
And he's off again. Yeah? Were you waiting there for? He's trying to go to bush. No, he's gonna go now. And yet again, he's gonna pick up some fright on himself. As usual.
You know what? Are you still on the camera?
No.
What you found?
What is that, Mars? What have you found in there? What was that?
Piece of shit. Could be deer shit.
Oh no.
Hey, friend, is that a deer?
Was that a deer, Mars?
Or is that fox?
And he's gone again. And all the time, in the most peculiar places.
This
Masianos.
actually appears to be really well fenced.
Right, I'm off.
Yeah,
You coming?
It's all right. I'll have a little snuffle around.
Sniff your snuff. And he is bringing
not
the
another
steak.
stick.
Fanny.
Oh, can you get it out though?
No.
Go on, go
Go
on.
on. You can
Go
do it.
on.
Oh my
Come on,
goodness
fella.
me.
Come on. Push, push. Push. Yeah.